Welcome. In this video, we will see how to create a mesh from aerial survey and use it for preliminary design in InfraWorks. In the new project, click on Photo to 3D. Here you have two options. Click on the aerial to start with drone photogeometric survey. Click on Add Photos to add the photos from the survey. Once the photos are added, you can move ahead with adding the ground control points. A window will open up with options to load or add GCPs manually if captured while doing the survey. Once this is done, click on Create. It will open up window to give project name and select location on cloud. As processing will be done on the cloud, it's necessary to select the cloud project location. After selecting location, you can move ahead with selecting the output file type ranging from mesh, NWC, point cloud, and GeoTIFF image. Once the processing is complete, you can open the generated textured mesh on ACC directly and perform different operations, or open the scans in ReCap Pro and perform different operations. Once we have this mesh, let's see how we can use this mesh in InfraWorks for the preliminary design of the bridge.
In InfraWorks, we will start the context modeling in InfraWorks Model Builder. I will type in the name of the location and create a rectangle around the area of the interest. Once I'm done with that, I will put the model naming and select the coordinates for the model. Once the model is created, we can see the project context. The project context is created from OpenStreetMap. From my downloaded files, I will drag and drop the canal FBX into InfraWorks and we will need to configure the model. We can see the 3D view in the 3D model, and for the description, I'm putting it as a canal, and for the type, I am putting it as road, and let's save and close it. And once this is refreshed, let's have a look around the point cloud in FBX format that we just imported in our InfraWorks model. So now that we have a junction between the road model and the canal one, I want to put a bridge on the junction as an early stage design. So what I will do, I will create a structure so that my abutments are passing the canal.